Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. This is the 11th part for Vue.js project, and in this part we will create a header, and it will be a common header for all our pages. So first of all we have to make a header component. After that we will add menus and add style for these menus, and then we will show this header on our home page also. Keep in mind, in this video we will just make header file, add style and shows the menus here. In this video we are not gonna make routing, so for that we will make a separate video, because if we are doing all these things in a single video it will be a little bit complex for you, and it will be a lengthy video also. But before starting with this video, I want to share some information with you. If you are looking to purchase domain name or hosting, then you can purchase it with the domain racer and you will get multiple benefits from here. You can see that plans are just started with a 59 rupees per month, and they provide shared hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting. You can purchase any hosting as per your requirement. And again, they have a free website builder tool also. If you are not familiar with the style, designing, CSS and code, then don't worry. Use this tool to make your website. Here you don't need to write any kind of code. So let's start with the first point and create our header file. I mean header component. So just go to the component folder, write a new and just put here header.view, and let's add here template. We can close it. After that, for a moment we can put here a h1 tag so that we can check that this is working fine or not, and just put here header. And now let's add here script tag. We can again close it, and let's use here export default, and let's put here our component name, which is header, like this. So let me just add a space. Okay, now we can import this component inside header so that we can check that everything is working fine or not. So let's simply add here import header from our file name. So we can just simply put here header dot view, and let's add this header inside components property, and now let's use it on a top. And now you can see that this is working fine, but there is a lots of space over header, so let's remove it. So for that, let's go to the app.view, and here we have a property like say margin top. We can remove it like this. So now this is much better. So now let's again go to the header file and remove it and add here a div like this. And again just simply put here a tag, which is anchor tag, I mean href. If you want to use, then you can simply use and put here hash for a moment, because we did not define here routing, and it will be changed in next video, because href will not work with the Vue.js. So for a moment we are just showing the menu. After that we have to change this href. So just simply put here home. We can close it. Okay, fine. So after that, let me add here some more menus. Let's say add restaurant, and update or edit restaurant, logout or something. Great. So whenever we will just open it here, and let me make it a little bit zoom so that you can just watch it clearly. This is not look like a menu actually, right? So this is just, you can see that just they are anchor tag. So how we can just convert the menus? We just have to add some style. So let me define a style tag here, close this style tag, and let me add here a class which is, let's say, nav, and let me just simply put here nav class here, and here we can do the two things: background color. It can be, let's say, black, but we will define light black, so just use here this. And overflow, we can just make it hidden. So let's see what we are getting here. So now we have a black background, but with this you can say a header, but this is still not proper. You can see that there is some space with the header. So how we can remove it? Again, we have to go in the app and just simply put here a body tag. Body, let's add here padding, which will be 0, margin, which will be again 0, and we don't need to add here comma, we must have to add here semicolon. Just give me a moment. It should be, this space should be removed, but this is not removed yet. Sorry, my bad. I actually just need to remove this code, so I just make it object. Okay, so now this is a little bit fine, but again we have to add some more style. So just add here dot nav and take the reference of this anchor tag. And now what we can do, just go to this style and just make it float left like this. And after that, what we can do here, we can just add here color. So let's say color is little bit whitish. We can add padding, let's say 16 pixel or 14 pixel, and again 14 pixel. That's fine. We can just, okay, so let me add here 14 pixel. This is much better. And after that, we can just say that text align, it can be center, and font size can be increased, let's say just 70 pixel. Or text decoration, you can say none. So now this is look like more. Okay, just add me just margin also, so let's say 5 pixel or 4 pixel, right? So that we can just say the check out the difference in between them. So now we have a change cursor when we just got the margin. So let's simply get it from here and paste it like this. So again we have to just one more thing. So whenever we are hovering over it, there is a no impact, so it's like just image, so this is not giving any response. So for that, what we can do here, simply use dot nav and use the anchor tag hover. Or with that hover, we can change background color. So let's say it can be light white, and color can be, let's say, black or hash 333 like this. And now let's check out our output. No response. How does that possible? I think again I just made some silly mistake. Yes, again that I just put here colon. Now you can see that they are more look like a menus, right? So we will use this page, this header for all our pages, because till now we have only one page, but in the upcoming video we will create the different pages and use it. So thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.